Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we make a octopus sashimi. Let's see how to cut. This is octopus, fresh octopus. We need to clean with tissue. After we need to dry this octopus. Dry nicely and check. Remove all tissue. After we need to cut slice on the side. After we cut one by one smoothly, let's see guys, it's nice, it's looking fresh. After we put in tray, serving tray, then we put soya sauce, then this is ready to eat. Let's try guys. If you didn't try to octopus, let's try now. See how I eat. Wow, it's so yummy. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.